Hello and welcome to the Celoxis Knowledge series. In this video, we'll explore how to add a report to your menu shortcuts for quick access. What's a menu shortcut? It's nothing but a convenient way to bookmark your frequently used reports onto your LHS menu for quick and easy access. Let's dive in. Once you log into Celoxis, go to the LHS menu and select Reports, and then All Reports. From the list of reports, select the report that you want to add to your Quick Access menu. Open and edit the selected report. In the Details tab, you'll find the Menu Shortcut option at the bottom. Here you can select where you want to place the report for quick access. For example, if you want to add it under the Tasks menu, select Tasks and save. Now you'll see the report listed under Tasks in your LHS menu, ready for quick and easy access.